All right, when we factor this, let's go ahead and write it as x squared and then plus 0x plus 100. Because there's no x term, there's no b value. B value is 0. So now let's factor it. We'll look at this sign. That sign tells us the signs are going to be the same. Plus sign here means the signs are the same. Then we look at the first sign to tell what they're both going to be. Well, it looks like they're both going to be positive, so plus plus. And then we need two terms to multiply together to give us x squared. So it would be x and x. And then we need two numbers here that multiply to give us 100. And since the signs are the same, they need to add to give us 0. So two numbers that add up to 0 that multiply to give you, that would just be 0 and 0. That adds up to 0, and that doesn't work here. Even if you did 10 and 10, 10 times 10 is 100. Let's take x times x, that's x squared. X times 10 is 10x. 10 times x is 10x. 10 times 10 is 100. This gives you 20x when you combine your like terms. And that's not the same thing that we started with. So this is not factorable. And if you thought it was a difference of squares, if you thought it was this, the x plus 10 and x minus 10, that would be true if this was a negative sign here. But since it's a plus sign, we don't have anything for a sum of two squares. So this is just not factorable.